Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily restore processing settings to default on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Camera Hub app on your PC and go over to camera settings. Now make sure that the device input is set to ELGATO Facecam MK.2. And now we need to scroll down until we see processing right at the bottom. Now here, as you guys can see, let me change some settings, and now let me restore it by clicking this arrow. As you guys can see, now it's back. Let me change it to medium and 50 Hz. And now let me restore it. As you guys can see, now noise reduction is off. And this is how you can easily do that. So, thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.